Hey guys, I'm with my auntie and we are walking train bridge. It's very high. We just need to walk a bit more further. So we're waiting for a train to, and here's the tracks. It's a bit scary because we are very high up.
Are you nervous?
Kind of. Like, look how high it is.
Yeah.
It doesn't look high.
It doesn't look high from here, but I can imagine because yours too easy.
Scary. I'm just waiting for a train. Okay guys, there's a train coming. We've been waiting for like 5 minutes. Right, there's a train coming. It's so close to us, but you guys just...
3, 4, 5, 7,
It's actually so close.
9, 10, 11,
Oh.
11 carriages.
Oh my god, this is actually so big.
So that's going on platform 4.
How do you know?
Oh no, platform 1.
Right, I can see another train coming, so it's at the platform, so we'll just wait for that. Right guys, the train, and then we'll end the video. It's coming. That's that train. Oh, and the next one.
Zoom out a little bit. Look, good sight, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's it, that's it.
Right, bye guys.